Hello and welcome. In this brief video, I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my desktop icons. I'm going to show you how you can turn black and white drawings into these nice colored icons. So these are all line drawings that I turned into a little, I colored them. Very, very easy. That's what I'm going to show you. And then I went in and I set them up as what they're called are folder images. Okay, so just so you know, you can click a folder in Windows, right click it, go in, customize, and it's called folder pictures. Click choose file. You put a picture inside of the folder or inside of a folder inside of the folder. So this picture you want, it's basically easiest if you just put the picture in the folder. Then you click one of your pictures, click open, and then you get your folder icon. Okay, so how do you make these little things? I have a bunch of line drawings that I drew. I made these in the past, and I had clipped them into they're from big page onto little pages like this by cropping them in Paint. So I have all these to choose from, and so what I do is when I have a folder I want to put a nice icon on, I pick a picture out. You save it to the folder, then you take it and you put that picture into Paint. So say you want to color this, you go to Adjustments, Hue, and Saturation, and then you can just play with these knobs right here with Hue and Saturation. Right, but if you want to color the whole picture, what you do, you open the picture in Paint.net here, go to Adjustments, and you go to Temperature/Tint. Now you can tint it blue or yellow commonly. You can mix it up by moving the other knobs, and you'll get some different colors. Now basically though, you get the yellow or the blue out of this. So I want a really bright color. Alright, now you go to Hue and Saturation, and you can change the color there. It can be pink. So they look like a nice sticky note. These colors come out as nice sticky notes. There's a nice green. There's a paisley. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now if you're line drawing, maybe I have one to serve it as an example. If the lines are skinny, so you want them to be more visible, most of my drawings, I don't have very many ones that with skinny lines. But let's take this pyramid in. Now it has pretty thick lines already, but I'll show you anyway. You go to Adjustments and you go to Highlights. So here would be the face. You open up the picture, you go to Highlights, you use this one here, and what that did, if you look, it makes the lines thicker. Okay, and this can make for a much better icon. Let's add the colors with temperature. Let's do a yellow one. Okay, so right here it's done. Or if you want it to be a different color, you go to Hue, Saturation, and we can pick out a nice color here. Let's do a big blue. All right, boom. All right, so I'll show you just every step so you know. I'll take that and make a new folder. New folder is the file name. Put this picture into the new folder. Let's find our new folder on the desktop. Where are you, new folder? There you are. Okay, so the picture is showing up as the icon because it's the only thing in the folder. But when you have other stuff in the folder, like other pictures, you do need to go to the properties of the folder, customize, choose file, boom, apply. Now that's going to be the icon for that folder forever. And this really does help you get around the desktop faster. If you put these folder icons, if you use your computer a lot and you're like, wow, I could actually use my computer in a better way, this is one way to do it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, check out my product, my startup at my website, virten.app. It's virten.app. That's V as in Vega, virten.app. there's lots of cool stuff, a lot of different products. So when you go to the home page, you'll see right in front of you like what our product shelf. So you'll see like a few different options that hopefully one of them catches your eye and you can find a use for. I hope you enjoy the little tutorial. Bye-bye.